Hey folks, today I come to you with a few personal announcements. You know, I've been creating content here on YouTube for almost 14 years. Just to give you some perspective, back then we were on Mac OS Lion. That was 12 operating systems ago, and also pre-Beard. You know, when I first started my YouTube channel, this was basically all just a fun experiment, which eventually evolved into a side hustle, and then transitioned into my full-time job. And while I have thoroughly enjoyed our time together, now that I'm 40, I feel like I'm ready for a new adventure. And part of that new adventure involves starting a new business. So here's the deal. I am not totally leaving YouTube, but I will occasionally release new content when Apple comes out with noteworthy products. So if you would like to find out whenever I release a new tutorial, I encourage you to join my newsletter at techtalkamerica.com. Just go to the homepage, hang out for about 8 seconds, and then fill out this form. For those of you who have become my clients over the years, rest assured I am not stepping away from that. I will still continue to offer private tech support. However, I will be working fewer days per week. As much as I want to, I can't reveal anything about the new business just yet, but I will give you this one hint. If you plan to visit Palm Springs, California in the future, this is something you'll definitely want to do while you're here. This journey with YouTube has been one of the most fulfilling parts of my life. And to those of you who have stuck with me through the years, I just want to say that your support has meant the world to me. Again, thank you from the bottom of my heart. It's been a real honor and a privilege to do this, and I can't wait to see what the future holds. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. This is David A. Cox with Tech Talk America. Class dismissed.